So, g'day people, how you going? It's been a while since I made a video, and the reason why is because I wanted to check the YouTube analytics and see what would happen if I took a few weeks off making a video. And the good thing is that they haven't dropped. Actually, they have increased. But if you missed me, then I'm sorry. Anyway, done a painting. What do you think of it? Ooh, there's flowers. Maybe that's fire. Maybe it's clouds, sunset. I've no idea. But anyway, I quite like it. So, what can we talk about today? So, in Australia, we have a thing where people ask about where you come from. So, a lot of recent immigrants or people from a recent immigrant background will ask you, oh, where do you come from? And what they actually mean was not where you actually come from. Like, I come from Victoria, I come from Melbourne. They're actually asking, where do your ancestors come from? So with me, when someone asks, oh, where do you come from? I just say, Melbourne. Nah. Where do your ancestors come from? I want to know. I'm going, why? They're dead. There's no point in actually knowing. So, but, in case you want to know, my last name's Warren, so probably on my dad's side from England. My grandmother's maiden name. So a maiden name is what it says. You know what a maiden is? A maiden is an unwedded woman. So a maiden name is just a name a woman had before she changed her name after getting married. And in Western culture, females have majority of them actually change their name to the male's name after they get married. That's unlike Chinese culture. Chinese culture, they don't change their names. I'm not too sure on many other cultures, but that's just the case. So, and her name was Lei, and that's actually French, so maybe I have French ancestry as well, which is a pity, because that means I have to run away when there is a war, because the Germans will come and take our land. So, that is what ancestry I am. So, I might have Celtic, because the UK has a lot of blending between the Anglo-Saxons, the Romans, and the Celts. And probably a lot of other ones recently as well, but they're excluded because my ancestors have been here for probably 100, 150 years. Maybe I should check that out. So, when someone comes up to you in Australia and asks, oh, where do you come from? They're asking either what country you come from or your ancestry. So, I hope that clears up. So, if I come up to you and say, oh, where you come from? That's what I want to know. And I don't find it offensive. I find it quite good. So, hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you have a awesome time learning English, learning Australian English. Now, I will upload more videos every week on Australian slang. And maybe I'll do some other videos just on normal English, because learning English is awesome. So, have a good time, baby.